Good morning everyone, welcome back to our maths class children. Today we are going to do subtraction of two-digit number with borrowing. So let us see what the book has written. Sometimes we have to subtract a bigger number from a smaller number. We do it by borrowing from the tens column. Children, sometimes it happens that two numbers are there, 25 and 63 and 36. Sometimes we have to subtract bigger number from smaller number. Then in this case we have to borrow from the number at the tens column. Okay children, suppose your mummy want to bake cake at home and your mother is baking chocolate cake and you don't have any chocolate at home. So what do? You just borrow from your neighbor. So instead of going to market, if chocolate is not available in the market, or you want that for time being, you borrow it from your neighbor. Just like that, if a greater number has to be subtracted from the smaller number, then the number at the ones column borrow the number from the tens column. This is known as borrowing. So children, let us take the example of 25 and 82. First, we have to arrange the given numbers in column form, like 82 minus 25 in ones and tens column. Okay children, now we have to subtract the digit at the ones place first, and then we will subtract the digit at the tens place. So 2 is smaller number and 5 is bigger number. So it is not possible to subtract 5 from 2. So what does the 2 do? 2 borrow from 8, and 8 gives 1 ones to 2. So 8 gives 1 10 to 2. So 2 becomes 12 and 8 becomes 7. Okay. So now we have to subtract 5 from 12. So how do we subtract? After 5, start counting up to 12. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many? 7. And 7 minus 2 is 5. Now the question is, how does 2 becomes 12? So children, look, 2 is smaller than 5. So we have to borrow 1 10 from the tens column. The tens column doesn't give one number, it gives 1 tens. That's why 1 10 plus 2 ones makes 12 ones. Okay children? And so 12 ones minus 5 ones is equals to 7 ones. Okay? So this is the procedure how we subtract two-digit number from two digits. Okay? Now see another example. Suppose we have to subtract 96 minus 38, then again we have to borrow 54 minus 27, then again we have to borrow 70 minus 52, then again we have to borrow. Now let us start our exercise. Subtract the following numbers. Part A, 72 minus 39. So 2 is smaller than 9. So we can't subtract 9 from 2. So we will borrow 1 10 from 7, and 2 becomes 12 and 7 becomes 6. So 12 minus 9. 10, 11, 12. 12 minus 9 is 3. Now 6 minus 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 minus 3 is 3. Okay. So 72 minus 39 is 33. Now part B, 50 minus 36. Now 0 minus 6 is not possible. So we will borrow 110 from 5 and it becomes 10 and 5 becomes 4. So 10 minus 6. 7, 8, 9, 10. So 4. Now 4 minus 3 is 1. So answer is 14. Okay. Now next part C. 81 minus 47. So children, 1 minus 7 is not possible. So we will borrow 1, 10 from 8 and 1 becomes 11. And 8 becomes 7. Okay children. Now 11 minus 7. 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 minus 7 is 4. Now 7 minus 4. 5, 6, 7 is 3. So children, 81 minus 47 is 34. Okay. Now part D. 53 minus 29. So 3 minus 9 is not possible. So we will borrow 1, 10 from 5 and 3 becomes 13 and 5 becomes 4. Now 13 minus 9. 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 minus 9 is 4. Now 4 minus 2 is 4. So answer is 53 minus 29 is 24. Now children, we have done part A, B, C and D. Now the remaining part we will do. Rest of the sum we will do in the next video. Till then, practice subtraction with borrowing at home. Okay children? Till then, have a great day.